Looking for a space to make high-quality videos? Look no further than our webcam area. Come on, let's check it out. This is our new webcam area. Whether you're delivering a presentation, showcasing a product, or hosting a virtual meeting, we've got the right space for you.
We have multiple different cameras so that we can capture you from every angle. We have a 48-inch monitor and a high-quality Elgato webcam for anything you need on the web.
This zone is perfect for recording everything online, from websites to customer case studies, testimonials, and product demonstrations.
Whatever your story is, you could tell it here. For example, maybe you start off doing a talking heads style video like this, then switch over to PowerPoint.
From there, maybe you transition over to your website to tell your audience more about your company. No matter what you need to say, we can help.
We strive to make creating these top-notch videos here easy. Our expert team will help guide you through every step of the process, from brainstorming all your ideas to recording and editing.
We'll help you make that personal connection with your prospects.
We do this so that you can relax and enjoy the whole process. We'll take care of everything for you.
Thanks for joining us today. We look forward to welcoming you and your video ideas to Studio 281 soon.